Munir from Punjab College Multan. Today I am going to discuss some techniques to write essay in CSS exam. At first I would like to discuss the facts about CSS exam. In 2018, 81% of the students fail in essay writing in exam. So essay writing is very important. I met a lot of successful people and our students who qualified CSS and PSM exam. By keeping in mind their experience and my own teaching experience, I would suggest some key things to attempt essay writing paper. At first, I would like to discuss the causes of failure in CSS exam. Some of the students, number one, some of the students write copied material from different sources. Whenever they write copied material, there is artificiality, there is lack of natural flow of writing. There is a variation in style of writing in different paragraphs. Every paragraph is different from another paragraph. The choice of words, the diction, the sentence structure is totally different from one another. It gives the proper assessment to the examiner, and the examiner makes you fail in the exam. For example, if you study Marlowe, Christopher Marlowe, if you study Shakespeare, you can easily compare both writing. Both are different in their writing style. In the same way, when a student write copying material, so their one paragraph varies from another paragraph, and the examiner has come to know that he is copying from different sources. The second reason is that there is lack of coherence. There is no logical connectivity among the sentences or among the paragraph. There is haphazardness in writing. There is a lack of creativity. Sometimes the students do not add facts and figures to support their ideas and arguments. This lack of facts also causes failure in exams. The fourth reason is no proper diction. There should be proper diction which supports your topic. For example, if you are writing on gender discrimination, you should be well aware of the vocabulary which you use in gender discrimination, like feminism, like womanliness. If you are writing on economics or business, then automatically there are particular diction which deals those subjects. Sometimes the fifth point is that outline is not structured, and sometimes outline does not match with the material which you are writing in the body of the essay. There are some errors even in the start. Some of the students make errors, so your CSS essay writing should be error-free from any type of grammar. Now, how to cover all these things? Now I would like to give some suggestions. The first is that there is no substitute for hard work. But do hard work with smart techniques. Hard work doesn't mean that you are reading a lot of material. Read English newspapers, articles, editorials, because it will help you in general knowledge, in essay writing, in optional subjects. You can also practice précis writing by writing the gist of these paragraphs. In this way, this technique can help you a lot in covering other subjects as well as essay writing. The second point is that read best prose writers. These studies will enrich and replete your mind with sublime ideas. You will be able to write well if your mind will be full of these ideas. So best prose writers, according to me, I'm going to suggest you try to read those prose writers like Francis Bacon. Read essays written by Francis Bacon, Carlyle, Ruskin, Aldous Huxley. These are the best in English writing. The third technique is that start writing outline on current issues. The current issues which I consider very important for the coming CSS exam, that are gender discrimination, Islamic phobia, media, education, and technology, religion, artificial intelligence, and economic system. So, and start writing outline, and after that start writing introduction, then work on conclusion. You should also add whatever preparation you have done during CSS exams. Try to create that image in your essay writing, that the person who is assessing your essay, he should come to know that you have a good knowledge of current issues, you have good knowledge on politics, you have good knowledge of religion, you have good knowledge about philosophy. So try to add all this material and do practice and consult very good authentic books my book of CSS competitive exams, functional English or MDCAT can be very helpful to improve your grammar as well as your essay writing. Jazakallah.